Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 19th of February, 2019, and it is cold outside. High today is only 27 degrees. It was -3 when I got in the car today. Low temperature night 12. 10% chance of rain or snow this evening, but tomorrow's supposed to be pretty nasty, so we'll see what happens for tomorrow. All right, weekly PBIs is the cafeteria. So in order to be safe in the cafeteria, you need to walk at all times, especially on days when we have grapes and that kind of stuff. If you hit something on the floor, you could slip and fall, and I don't want that to happen to you. Keep your hands and feet to yourself and report all spills to an adult. Eat your own food. Clean up the table and the floor. We have this back here, the golden tray, for the class that does the best job of cleaning up after themselves in there. Miss Starr, Miss Cassie are looking for that. And a voice level 2 while you're in there. Raise your hand to leave your table. We've done a very poor job of that. Just raise your hand, ask for permission to get up. Use kind words and actions, and then place all of your stuff in the trash can. Don't whip it. Don't do that, please. We want you to place it in there. That way it doesn't get on our helpers. Staff announcement today, 3:45, we have a faculty meeting. Thank you to all of our staff and students for working so hard on the NWA and Fontes and Pinot testing. Definitely appreciate that. Lunch today is a terrific taco with taco shells, iceberg lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded Mexican cheese, red grape. See, you run on red grape day, you might fall on your keister. And of course, those crunchy baby carrots. Tomorrow is pizza Bosco sticks, Yoplait strawberry Go Big yogurt, green beans, pears, and crunchy baby carrots. Some special announcements: chess clubs tomorrow after school, and our attendance meeting is today with Ms. Straffen. If you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Also, there is a video that was also attached to our morning announcements page. Teachers, if you could please show that. That's about our Lego team. We're getting ready to get that started with Ms. Steyer and Mr. Sodden. Should be a lot of fun. Got to go to competitions. Watch the video. Students, if you're interested, talk to your teachers. Teachers, if you could then relay that to Ms. Steyer and Mr. Sodden. Mr. Sodden's team will be 3rd grade, looking for about 6 to 8 kids there, and about 10 kids between 4th and 5th grade for Ms. Steyer's Lego first team. All right, standing again for the Pledge of Allegiance. Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers.